privileged because they understand the landscape, that how micronutrient deficiency would affect the socio-economic growth of our country. जिस country का labor anemic है, वो country anemic है. This is a statement that was given by our government. Anemia हमारे 50% जनता के we introduced new products to start off with, staple foods के form में, the rice and flour, which is सबसे घरों में utilize होता है. 40 करके we are to improve the general and well-being and mental being of people in our society. So that's the idea behind these products. These are initial 2 products. We are now launching more products in the next 6 months and doing value addition to the basic foods like pasta, like noodles. So fortified rice and fortified atta we have launched in the light of saying that there is no need to change any behavior. आप रोज सुबह, रोज दोपहर को, रोज रात को आटा या चावल में से एक स्टेपल खा रहे हो, आप वो स्टेपल भी खा रहे हो. You don't have to change anything. Automatically your will be ahead. And the best part, you have to pay a lot more than that. It's very price competitive and we want to propagate this idea of fortification more and more. And जब problem mass है, तब solution भी mass होना चाहिए. So our product is for the mass.
Is this product for upper class, lower class, middle class,
It's
for everyone?
It's for everyone.
Okay, and my last question is see, there are lots of big companies, those who are already doing their business very well in the market, West Bengal as well as all India, like Ashirvad Atta and etc. etc. So, what is your aim? How do you compete with them? What do you think?
As I mentioned during my speech,
yes,
it's more than a race, it's a marathon.
True.
India's population is so big, एक अकेला आदमी या 100 लोग इस चीज़ को केटर नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
And जैसा हमारे चीफ गेस्ट मनोज अग्रवाल जी ने भी बोला था,
yes,
the importance of the MSME sector is immense. So, I would rather urge the bigger companies to fortify their products and launch it in the market so that people have that awareness programs. These are big companies with big impact. And their buying into the market will be a testament that the fortification process is real. It's not just a scientific study. It's something that benefits the entire population that India has.
Okay, thanks a lot. And please tell your name and designation once again for the public.
So my name is Rahat Agarwal and I represent Fort Fit Foods Private Limited.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
Rahat ji,
Thank you so
and wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you so
new
much.
project.
Thank you so much.
you.